Before starting off, I would like to wish everybody a happy new year.
So hey guys, I'm searching for people who said don't burst crackers on Diwali and yesterday during New Year they were bursting crackers at night. If you find them, please tell me.
ना फिकर ना शर्म ना लिहाज.
So, guys, are we going to ignore the fact that 2021 is pronounced as 2021?
Dorime, interrimo ad appare dorime.
So, 2020 has been a year for hypocrites. A lot of hypocrisy has come out of 2020. As usual, fake feminism by celebrities and pseudo feminism basically. And also, as usual, all the blame goes on Hindu festivals. For example, people blamed Diwali for creating pollution. They say don't burst crackers on Diwali because it is going to cause pollution. I also saw a few articles which said stop consuming sweets on Diwali because it makes you obese. Like yeah, like eating cakes during Christmas doesn't make you fat, but yeah, if you eat sweets on Diwali, it is going to make you fat. It is obvious. Why are you not getting the fact that it is obvious that only during Diwali you can become fat? Wow, like who writes these articles? Also, if you guys remember, at a point everybody became mental health specialists, especially after that incident of Sushant Singh Rajput. Everybody became mental health specialists. Like I've personally seen people posting stories on Instagram saying, "Hey guys, if you want to talk about something, you can talk about it. Please don't be sad. Please don't be depressed." On all those things. Okay, let's say 9 out of 10 people care. Okay, let's say 1 out of 10 people care about your depression, about your sadness, about your whatever. But the same people who said, guys, don't be depressed, you can talk to me, those same people went to Star Kids comment section and they commented abuses on them. Like, yeah, why are Star Kids not human beings? Every human being has their own emotions. Like, even Star Kids, they are also human beings. They are human beings before being born to stars. So even they can get depressed. I mean, if you really care about people's depression, then why don't you just be quiet instead of going into Star Kids DMs or just any DM or any comment section for that matter? Hey Karya, hey Kalo.
Oh my god, how will I marry him? He's so black, he's so dark. You think I'll accept his proposal? No way. Hey, stop the recording. No. Cut this part. So, hey guys, Black Lives Matter. Even black people are human beings. We need to respect every black people. Black Lives Matter, guys. Okay, bye.
Bro, my brown parents, bro. Every brown family is like this only, bro. Yeah, your brown dad, no, is very strict, no? My brown dad also, bro, is very strict. Brown parents are only strict, bro. I'm telling you, brown parents are only strict. You should go to some foreign country and enjoy, bro. I'm telling you, brown parents are strict only, bro.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
Drop trying to come up. I drop low then I came.
Above all these, the biggest problem of 2020, which is COVID-19, I hope the disaster caused by COVID doesn't continue into 2021, and let's hope for the best for this new year. Also, some crazy thing which happened a few days ago. You guys know Elon Musk, right? So Elon Musk tweeted out something like 3-4 days ago saying he talked to aliens or something related to aliens. And at this point, I won't be surprised if aliens come and visit our houses at any time. I swear I'm not going to be surprised at any moment. But yeah, it sounds interesting if you can communicate with aliens, if you can talk with them. And it is interesting to find new life forms. Let's look forward to 2021 positively. Guys, government is doing nothing about COVID. We need to show the power of our votes next time, I guess. Just a second. My brother is calling me. Huh? Nandi Hills. Let's go to Nandi Hills. Let's go to Chikmagalur also. Let's do a full Karnataka trip and come. What COVID? What are you telling COVID and all? Hey, nothing, bro. COVID, nothing is there. Come, we'll go travel. Okay, wait. Sorry guys, my brother was calling me. So what I was telling is we need to show the power of our votes next time. Please remember this, guys. So guys, let's tell bye-bye to 2020, Dorimi bye-bye, and let's hope RCB wins next year. Isala Cup nam there. Okay guys, bye.
Some of them are Allah, sign them up from the satellites Allah. Me a man, we protect we border. Tactically place them, sip on the